Here are the 5 things you need to keep in mind if you're selling products online in India. Number 1, most of your orders will be COD, cash on delivery. That means payment processor के कोई issues नहीं होंगे, but you get your money after you ship the product. Number 2, India has 5 shipping zones A, B, C, D and E and it depends आपका किस zone में product deliver हो रहा है, किस city और state में, is it A, B, C, D और E and depending on that आपके shipping charges decide होते हैं as opposed to somewhere in the US where shipping charges are uniform all over the country. Number 3, this is the harshest one. A big chunk of your orders will get RTO'd. RTO stands for return to origin. Simply, people will not accept your orders. दरवाजे से delivery boy को वापस भेज देंगे and your product will get delivered back to you. But उसके आपको forward और return charges दोनों लगेंगे. Number 4, advertising on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram and Google is very cheap compared to other countries, but the audience quality is also very low. And lastly, if you sell products that weigh over 500 grams, you'll incur a lot of high shipping costs. So make sure your products are lightweight. If you want to learn how to sell products online here in India, don't forget to follow me for more.